Child custody matters are complex and sensitive, and it's crucial to have professional legal guidance when dealing with them. It's important to note that custody decisions are highly individualized and depend on the specific circumstances of your case, as well as the laws and practices in your jurisdiction. Other factors like parental alienation cannot be ignored if the child is living with one parent for a period of more than 1 month. An attorney can guide you through the legal process, help you understand the factors that influence custody decisions, and provide assistance in pursuing the best possible outcome for you and your child. Please keep in mind that most lawyers will make use of legal tactics that may benefit you in short term and also get your custody, but at the cost of psychological impact on your child's mental and emotional stability. Do not allow parents and lawyers to use the children as pawns in the divorce proceedings. And remember, do not let divorce destroy childhoods. Judges must not hesitate to transfer the custody to the non-custodial parent in case the custodial parent does not bring the child for access or visitation. It is the primary responsibility of the custodial parent to keep the child away from the litigations and arguments in court. Strict actions must be taken by the judges to ensure that the relationship between the non-custodial parent and the child is not affected by court matters. However, we have created this quiz with a structured approach for judges to evaluate custody decisions and ensure that the child's best interests are at the forefront of the decision-making process. The weightage reflects the relative importance of each criterion in determining the custody arrangement. Judges would assess both parents during divorce proceedings and arrive at the total score before passing custody decision. Criteria and weightage. 1. Child's age and developmental needs, 10%. Consider the child's age, maturity, and specific developmental requirements. Assess how each parent addresses these needs. 2. Primary caregiver, 15%. Identify the parent who has been the primary caregiver, meeting the child's daily needs. Evaluate the level of involvement of each parent. 3. Mental and physical health, 10%. Examine the mental and physical health of each parent. Ensure the child's safety and well-being. 4. Parent-child relationship, 15%. Evaluate the quality of the relationship between each parent and the child. Assess the emotional bond, attachment, and communication. 5. Stability and continuity, 10%. Prioritize maintaining stability in the child's life. Assess which parent can provide a consistent and secure living environment. 6. Cooperation between parents, 10%. Consider the willingness and ability of parents to cooperate with each other regarding visitation, communication, and decision-making. Evaluate their ability to co-parent effectively. 7. Child's education and community ties, 10%. Examine the child's school and community involvement. Assess the impact of the custody arrangement on their education and social life. 8. History of abuse or neglect, 15%. Investigate any history of abuse, neglect, or domestic violence. Weigh this factor heavily in custody decisions. 9. Parental availability and work schedules, 5%. Evaluate each parent's work schedule, availability, and ability to be present for the child. Consider the balance between work and parenting. 10. Financial stability, 5%. Assess the ability of each parent to provide for the child's financial needs. Consider housing, food, education, and extracurricular activities. 11. Parental behavior and lifestyle, 5%. Evaluate the lifestyle and behavior of each parent, including issues like drug or alcohol abuse. Assess whether these factors impact the child's well-being. 12. Relocation and impact on the child, 5%. Examine any plans for relocation by either parent. Evaluate how such a move would affect the child's relationship with the other parent and overall life. 13. Child's wishes, 5%. Consider the child's preferences, if of sufficient age and maturity. Ensure their input is aligned with their best interests. Scoring. Judges should assess each parent according to the criteria and assign scores based on the weightage. Calculate the total score for each parent. The parent with the higher total score is more likely to receive primary custody. Hope this quiz was helpful for you to assess how the judges may evaluate their custody decisions to ensure that the child's best interests are at the forefront of the decision-making process. Please follow and subscribe for similar quizzes regarding divorce, alimony, parental plan, judicial separation, child support, child access, child custody, parental alienation, non-custodial parents, and similar legal matters.